Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ryan the Fat Money. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'm on Telegram as well. The main reason that I wanted to create this video and I wanted to create this channel is to help each and every single one of my friends, anyone who would like to get to know better ways of investing, better ways of earning some good income, and also even generating passive income, even while you're even at your own workplace or while you're doing something else, you're just earning some bucks. I mean, that's something that we all would like to have, and it's a really good time to start investing. So let's start off with something where, as you can see, what I've shared on my screen is I would like to show you how you can register into one of these exchange wallets. So you get different exchange wallets. May it be Bitrue, may it be Binance, may it be KuCoin. You might have heard of these exchanges. So what is an exchange? This exchange is basically your path to trading, and it's basically your wallet. So it's your digital wallet currently. For those who are not aware of a digital wallet, imagine your same account details, your balances and different types of currencies all in one particular application. You can access this even from a web browser through your credentials. You can also access this through your mobile app as well. If you download this on Apple iOS or even on the Google Play Store as well, you can find this application called Binance. So if you are based in a country like Sri Lanka, and Binance is a really good starting application for your I would say your exchange, because in a world of centralized and decentralized governance, Binance really comes into play, because you can actually you can actually use this application for multiple purposes. For you to transfer your currencies in your local bank accounts onto your digital wallet, which is in Binance, and vice versa. You can transfer it from Binance even to your local bank accounts as well, even to any other may it be uh, any other tool as well that you use for your transactions that you would like. So the first thing that you should do is to create an account on Binance. So I'll leave the link on my description. First things first, I would like if you can smash that like button and also do subscribe. Hit a comment if you'd like to get any clarifications. In the next couple of days and weeks, I would be covering multiple other videos in Binance, the very basics, and we'll slowly transition into the intermediate and advanced courses. Uh, this this channel is created solely for educational purposes. This is not financial advice. I would advise you to do your own research. You would really understand a lot more even than what I'm actually teaching you right now. I would advise you to do your own research. But the main benefit here is to give you a head start and just to let you know what is this really. So head over to Binance.com, and when you come over here, first things first, you got to register an account. So when you click on the register button, what will happen is you will be asked to provide some details. Either you can sign up with your phone or email. I'm currently logged in through a MacBook device, so I would see continue with Apple. But if it's easier for you, you can always sign up with a phone or an email option. Uh, a pop-up will appear for you to select your country of residence, your area of residence. So I'm based in Sri Lanka, so I'll click on Sri Lanka, and this option gives you to enter an email and a password. Please remember this password. If you must write it down, I would advise you to write it down in a piece of paper. Keep it with you. Do not share it with anyone. Same way, even if you're registering with a phone number and not with an email address, still do remember your password, and do not misuse your password, because same way like you log into your bank's mobile app, right? You need to know your password or you need to know your fingerprint account or whatever, right? You should be able to access through fingerprint. Similarly, this is just another account that you can access. You need to know your password and your email address or your phone number. Do enter the referral ID that I have shared in the description below. I would really appreciate it. It's just a referral key from my details. So just enter your details. You can also tick if you want to receive any email updates from Binance. But this option is mandatory, that you have to tick the option that I have read and agree to Binance terms and services. So I have read the terms and services. It's pretty straightforward, but I would advise you to read through it. If you feel that anything is shady, do not go through with it. But trust me, it's a really good application. I've used it for quite some time, and I use it as my basic uh, account, basic wallet for all my other transactions in the crypto world. So we'll move on to the next steps. Provided your email address and password, you will get a verification code to your email. Just go to your email. Most likely it'll be in your inbox. If not, go to your spam or your junk folder. It would be a 6-digit code most probably. Just input the email verification code, click the submit button, and you're well on your way to verifying your account in the next stage. Right. So congratulations, and you have already submitted an account. Once you have provided the PIN from your email verification code, your next stage is, once you are on the home screen of Binance, you will see on the top here that you're required to complete an intermediate verification to access the Binance services. There are two types of verifications. There is the normal basic verification and another option called the verified plus. The difference of the verified plus is if you're happening to deal with around $200,000 of transactions per day, maybe deposits or even withdrawals. So that option would take about 3 days for reviewing. But your verified option, even though it just says 10 days, in most instances, it's in a couple of minutes or in a couple of hours, give or take. For me, it's maybe 1 hour maximum just to get it verified. It's always good to get it verified. Once you are verified, you can start proceeding further. You will get an email that you're verified. So congratulations once that happens. And as you can see, once you're verified, for you to get a personal verification into the basic verification, you can deal with $50,000 on a daily basis. That's quite a huge amount. And crypto wallet withdrawal limit, you can see you can deal with 8 million BUSD daily. So BUSD is Binance US dollars, so it's another different type of a coin in Binance. So when you come into the world of crypto, you will see so many different stable coins, different blue chips, and also different altcoins, all in the making. So all you need to do is just click the start button. Once you click the start button, they will ask you some very basic details like what's your name, middle name, last name, your date of birth. Once you give those details, they will ask you for your residential address details. Furthermore, your postal code, the country that you're residing in. Click the submit button, and you will finally come into an option where you can either upload, for verification purposes, you can upload your ID card, which is your NIC. In Sri Lanka, we call it NIC, or your passport, or your driving license. So you do not need to upload it separately, because as you can see, when you click on ID card, there is an option to take photo. So if you have your webcam on, the camera will switch on, and you just need to hold it over and just snap over for the pictures for the front and the back of the image of the cards, and that's pretty much it. And just wait for a couple of hours, or give or take a day or two. You get verified, and from there it's into a world of endless possibilities for you. So that's it for this video. In my next videos, I will be showing you how you can get your LKR transferred from a local account onto your Binance account. And also, furthermore, we will also see how you can cash out from Binance and onto your local account. So vice versa, both of these options, we will get to know the basics of Binance, and furthermore how you can explore further opportunities in the crypto space. So thank you very much. Once again, subscribe to this channel and hit a like on this video. If you did like this, it would really help my growth in this crypto space as well. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.